Hey peeps, I know you see my hair looking all types of wild because it is nighttime, and this is my nighttime preservation method. Whether I have a wash and go or a roller set, which that's what this was, it is bedtime, and I have my hair in 5 sections, 2, 4, and 5 to preserve my curls at nighttime. So I usually do this when it's either my wash and goes or like a roller set. And I know y'all see this big pimple right here on my face. Never mind that. Sometimes we all have our little skin tissue issues. So I'm working on that. But yes, it's bedtime and I'm just gonna throw my little satin bonnet over this, and I'll be back in the morning to show y'all what I'm gonna do to bring this separated hair back to life. Okay? Good morning, I'm back, and this is what we got going on. So, I'm going to take these out. I'm going to take them out. They're all pressed down, shaken together, running over. And this one I pinned because I didn't want it like drooping down too low, so I put a little bobby pin right here so I can stay up. Take them out the back. Shape. And this is what I got going on. So it's still a little bit matted, it's still a little bit misshapen. But I'm gonna pull it out with my fingers first, and then I got my trusty dusty, I know people say handy dandy, right? But I got my trusty dusty little pick here. And I'm just gonna pick it out. It still looks pretty decent. So I'm gonna go for the middle and just lift the roots up. See that? See that lift action? Okay, lift action. Okay. I'm literally just lifting the roots here. You see it starting to come back to life? I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it starting to come back to life, honey. So yeah, just lift the roots here. I don't know what the back is looking like. It's probably all droopy. Okay. Give it another shake after the roots have been lifted. And this is pretty much it. So you see, it still looks decent. It is technically second day here. And I'm gonna try and come back tomorrow. See how many days I can get out of this hair. So I'll show y'all what it looks like, you know, in a couple of days, if it lasts. Or if it doesn't last, I'll show y'all what I decided to do with it. I'm just trying to pick it out, make it perfect. But the curls are still bouncy though, which that's definitely a plus for me. So yeah, this is what I got going on. Hope the back looks okay. And I'll come back to you guys once I've put like a little makeup on, put a little something together, and we're back. So I just decided to go with a little 50s monochromatic pink look. What I decided to do with this hair, I don't think I'm gonna wear it like this, like a little fro. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna do it like a little side part. So I'm gonna pull the hair, find the natural parting in there. It's not really that natural of a parting, but yeah, so I found a little part. I'm going to put a little edge control. This edge booster, y'all, this is big right here. I put a little bit of this on there. So, you know, to keep my little natural hair frizzes down. And it kind of helps it stay over to one side when you put a little bit of edge control in that area. So so it doesn't fall back over to one side. I got a little zigzag part going on there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Yes, honey, I'm feeling it. So look, I ain't even going nowhere, but quarantine and cute. That's okay. We cute, we quarantine and cute, okay? I'm just patting that down in there. You'll see how it comes together. Gotta get the edges. Gotta get the edges. Okay, so I'm gonna take my little brush and just swoop that hair back. And lay it down. Lay this down here. And pull this to the other side. Lay that down. And that's a look, honey. Look at that. Look how simple that was. I'll put a little bobby pin over here just to kind of keep this side nice and flat and laying down so it doesn't lift up. And look at that. That's a whole style, y'all. That is a whole style. A little bit of eyes, a little bit of lips, a little bit of boop boop be doo. Yeah, so I got that kind of 50s pinup look. This is the final look. Yeah, so first video, like, comment, let me know what you would like for me to do for my next video. What content you guys would like to see. And that's it. Love y'all. Bye.
I'ma reap what I sowed if I wait for the time. You see, he opened up my heart, so it's like this shine. This is more than just telling you I'm dropping it down.